The AudioControl LC-1.800 Monoblock Amplifier delivers genuinely strong power for demanding subwoofers while staying compact enough for clean installations. Its flexible crossover and subsonic filtering give you precise control over what your subwoofer plays, which keeps bass tight rather than boomy. The built-in AccuBass processing restores low-end impact that many factory head units quietly remove at higher volumes, so the system still feels full when you turn it up. Signal-sensing speaker-level inputs make it easy to integrate this amplifier with modern factory stereos without extra adapters or complicated wiring. Status lights for signal optimization and clipping help you set gains correctly and avoid distortion, which protects your speakers and keeps the sound clean. Overall build quality, from the solid chassis to the thoughtful control layout, reflects a design aimed at enthusiasts who want reliable, high-performance bass.